We're all aware of how the global pandemic drove unprecedented growth in broadband demand, especially in the upstream. Operators globally are now looking more than ever at high-split architectures or expanding the upstream to 204 MHz as a key part of their upstream bandwidth expansion plans. With this change, the aeronautical band moves from the downstream into the upstream, and figuring out how to handle mandated aeronautical band leakage has been a barrier to high-split adoption. At Viavi, helping cable operators achieve seamless network technology transitions is part of our DNA, and the SeekerX leakage management system continues this tradition into high-split architectures. In high-split plants, the downstream can continue to be monitored at up to 3 frequencies, including a mix of tags and OFDM pilot detection. For the aeronautical band, OFDMA upstream data profile or OUDP upstream test bursts from cable modems can be detected when leaking from the plant. OUDP transmissions are supported by the DOCSIS 3.1 specification, meaning deployed DOCSIS 3.1 CPE can support this method. For technicians in the field, the new process will look identical with no change to their deployed SeekerX meters, antennas, or back-end data collection and analysis processes. The Viavi SeekerX leakage meter was designed to adapt to exactly this type of network evolution, with a software-defined radio architecture featuring full frequency agility from 130 to 1220 MHz. Every SeekerX in the field today has the hardware to support OUDP detection. When the time comes to transition to high-split architectures, simply wirelessly deploy a license and new monitoring plan to your SeekerX meters via the MobileTech app and instantly add OUDP detection to your existing leakage monitoring processes. Once properly licensed, managing OUDP monitoring on SeekerX meters is as simple as a couple of clicks on a mobile app or a centralized push from the cloud-based StrataSync management system. To learn more about high-split leakage or how Viavi can help, please visit viavisolutions.com/high-split leakage or contact your Viavi sales representative.